Meet little Odie for her first professional groom.
Okay, sweetheart. Okay, sweetheart. Good, yeah. Good, yeah.
She was very nervous and wriggly. I needed to be firm and calm, working on a slow, steady pace.
Oh, it's okay. It's another mat. I know they're so naughty. Aren't they? Naughty mats. You don't like them. You don't like the mats. Odie. Come on. You better do this. It's okay. No, it's not okay. It's okay, sweetheart.
I didn't want to push her anymore, so we moved to the bath.
I'm here. I'm here for you. I am here. I'm here. I'm here for you.
As you can see, with a little bit of reassurance, she did much better with the dryer.
Look, this is so long. So long. You're gonna feel better. Look, Odie, Odie. Come on. No. Look at this. Odie. No. Odie. Good. Yeah. That's the clipper. Yeah. Yay! Good girl. Yay! Good girl. Well done. Yay, you're a good girl. It's okay. Come on. We're gonna do this. Nope. Well done. One left in this bowl. You are so brave. So brave. Good girl. Let's do this. Because you have been so brave. Yeah.
Pushing her a little bit without being too stressful made her overcome the fear that she had to have her nails clipped. As you can see, she settled pretty well.
Good girl. Oh, good girl. Good girl.
She did really well when shaving her back pads. However, when I tried to do the front legs, here we go again. So I kept trying to find what position will make her feel safer and more comfortable to keep doing the job, as safe as possible.
Okay. Yay! Woo! Good girl. No. Well done. Look at you.
For the final clipping and without mats, she was much more comfortable to go through the process. For the first few grooms of a nervous dog, a groomer may not be able to finish a perfect groom, but safety and the less stress as possible is the most important thing. But look at all the transformation! So cute, sweet girl.